Hi pals! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today, it's probably going to be a short, sweet little video of Tiff tries. So, I went yard sailing this past weekend. I went on a Sunday, which usually Sundays are pretty great, but this Sunday kind of was lame. Couldn't find anything really cool. Like, I got a couple of cute little things, but nothing extremely incredible that I couldn't live my life without. Except I did find this thing that was $5 and I thought it would be perfect to film a YouTube video. It's called Volume. My friend that I was yard sailing with, she said that she saw these infomercials. It's the Volume volumizing hair thing. All of this stuff came in it, including the Volume. It came with the instruction manual and all that stuff, and then like a little heat protectant carrying case. So, I mean, I guess that's nice. Not that I would ever need to take this with me anywhere, but let me show you what this thing looks like. So yeah, so it looks like a standard flat iron that would maybe have like a vent system on it, I guess. I only bought it because it does have the adjustable settings on here. Let me plug it in so I can kind of show you the settings and all that good stuff. Okay, so it auto set to 360, which is usually what I set my flat iron to. See, it's ticking up. I'm gonna set it at 320, I think, just because I'm unsure of the legitimate quality of this, and I really don't feel like barbecuing my hair. I like that it beeps when you do it. So that's pretty cool. Now, let me show you the inside of this thing. It's a little crazy. As I said, I have never seen anything like this before, hence the reason I bought it. But the inside, it looks almost like a dang waffle iron. So, we're gonna play around with it and see what happens. Okay, so I pulled out my good flat iron too, just because I want to have a good basis to judge this thing. And my hair gets a little wonky if I don't do anything with it when I go to bed at night, besides put it in a bonnet. That's why it's a little already kind of floofy, so I want to have a good scientific scenario, I guess. So I'm gonna brush it all out. My hair isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be when I brushed it out. So I'm just going to flat iron my ends really quick. You can see how flat my hair is. So this is our base, I guess. And my hair already has heat protectant and everything in it. I don't need to add anything extra today. Okay, and so what I've seen from the instructions is you don't want to do it on the top layer of your hair, obviously, because you'd probably see the waffle iron marks. So I'm going to pull up this first bit around my parietal here. Let's see what I can do here. I know back here is where I always have the most problem with keeping some volume, so I'm definitely gonna see if I can make this work without having to back comb my hair to crap. Let's see. So yeah, that's definitely a waffle iron mark. I don't want to do it too close to my face because those pieces will always kind of pop out. Okay, it's a weird like crimp thing happening there. Now let's check out. Make sure I get back here where my cowlick is, or my whirl, whatever you want to call it. What my friend calls it is the butt crack. And okay, well, you can see that it did crimpy, weird things, I guess. Okay, now we're gonna brush out my hair and see what it looks like, and then I'll put before and after. Okay, so the left side clearly has more volume. So maybe if I go a little bit higher up, right in there, it will match. Do you guys remember when everybody wanted to have like the severe back combing and all of the volume? I mean, Snooki for sure kept that alive for years. So if I brush it out, okay, I see it. I see it happening. There's a little extra volume in there. I see it. Okay. I wouldn't say that it's something everybody needs, for sure, because I kind of look like a Karen a little bit right now. I definitely want to speak to somebody's manager, or actually, the vibe I'm getting, the only thing I need is more right through here. If I go a little bit like this. Teresa Caputo. That's who I look like. Teresa Caputo. I am now the Long Island medium. Is that more Jersey? I think that's a little bit more Jersey, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm the Long Island medium. I can speak to the dead people. So, that was fun. That was just a fun, quick little video for you guys. Let's... Ooh, now I'm getting like them hardcore 80s vibes. Glamour shot time. Alright, well, that was fun. Okay. If you see this outfit in another video, it's because I'm filming multiple ones on the same day. Oh, but before I go, I just want to share something with you all. So that is a beautiful piece of art that my daughter drew for me, specifically for me. I'm going to link her Instagram down below, so if you want to order any of her or commission anything from her, that would be great. And this is some of her good friends' artwork that I actually purchased. It is a portrait of my daughter, and it's stunning and beautiful, and I think it's perfect. So I will get her information and link it down below for you too. So as usual, thank you all for watching. Thanks for continuing to support me and my weird things that I like to do on my channel. My name's Tiff. Be sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and you can find me on social media. All the links are in the description box down below.